Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm going to do a quick fun break today. 2018 Topps Chrome update. Mega Box, two of them. There are lots of good rookies in the update series. We're looking for Ohtani, Acuna, Soto, and more. This is a really good update series. I honestly had kind of overlooked it, but it was pointed out to me by a good friend of mine that yeah, this is actually a really good product. And I actually had to pay up a little bit for these, even though I got them on eBay and I felt like a pretty good deal, but not nearly as good a deal as if I had been able to find them actually at Walmart, but I never did. So I do remember opening, I know I opened one of these, maybe two, I really can't remember. But we're going to do it now. There is a chance for autographs and one-of-one superfractors, which I would pass out if I pulled a superfractor. I don't think I've pulled one of those ever. I'm not sure I've ever pulled an autograph out of one of these Topps Mega Boxes either. They're pretty tough. I'll look at the odds really quick. X-Fractor even is 1 in 119. A base refractor, 1 in 48. Gold 1 in 236, red 1 in 470. A superfractor is 1 in 11,988. Even a printing plate is nowhere near that hard at 1 in 2,981. Autographs are 1 in 49, so that is not terrible. I guess I just haven't had good luck there. There's Blue Wave, green, gold, red, orange. The what did I say? Superfractor. Oh, superfractor autograph is 1 in 385,084 packs. Crazy. How many packs are in here? It says only 28 cards. 4 cards, 7 packs. 4 cards per pack. Alright, let's do this. Obviously it'd be nice to get refractors or an autograph, but I'm basically just looking for rookies here. That's all I'm really hoping for, is a couple of decent rookies out of this. So let's do it. Do it to it. Love Topps Chrome. Alright, that's a good start. Rhys Hoskins, forgot about him. Victor Robles, very good. 2 out of 2. Bregman and Brandon Crawford. That's an excellent first pack. Soroka, Mengen, Aaron Judge, International Affair. Nice. And Freddie Freeman. Soroka, rookie debut. Why is this different than the other one? I don't know. Uh-oh, we got something. Looks like a gold refractor, maybe? JD Martinez. This looks gold. Is it numbered? Yeah, out of 50. So that's nice. Look how sweet that looks. Nice. I'll take it. And the last card was Longoria. Contreras, International Affair, Javier Baez, Manny Machado, and Severino. Kluber. Oh yeah, I forgot about him. Gurriel Jr. is in here. Tyler O'Neill. And David Bott. Still don't know how to pronounce his name. Sorry about that. Fernando Romero, rookie. Altuve, another International Affair Devers. And Ahmed Rosario, rookie. Look how good a photo that is. I mean, that's a sweet looking rookie card. Last pack. Plain old JD Martinez, Chris Sale, Zach Cozart, another nice photo. and Vasquez. That was box one. Not bad. None of those top rookies that I had named. No Acuna, Ohtani, or Soto. Could also get Albies. There's a couple of others too. Did get that gold refractor though. That was nice. All right. Box two. Munoz rookie, Adames rookie. There is Gleyber Torres, very nice. I didn't name him. He was one of the others, one of the top rookies. Nice. And Garrett Cole. Arenado. Hosmer. International Baez again. And Cousins rookie. Kingery rookie. Nice. Acuna. Very nice. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Todd Frazier and Ozuna. These cards are nice and clean. I'm not seeing a bunch of lines on them. It looks really good. There's a Dustin Fowler rookie. International Freddie Freeman. McCutchen. And a Devers rookie. So far, so good. I think this box has been better if you take out that gold refractor. Jordan Hicks rookie. Abreu. Connor Falefa rookie. And Chris Stratton rookie. Bryce Harper. That's nice. That's a nice card. Scherzer. International Devers. So I did double up on two of those players. Oh yeah, and Walker Buehler. Nice. Alright, last pack. Freddie Peralta rookie. Oh, looks like we have something. Austin Meadows rookie. Nice. Mitch Haniger X-Fractor autograph. Yes. Numbered out of 125. I really did not expect to get an auto, so that is really super cool. Wow. It's gorgeous too. I love X-Fractors. And then another name that I had forgotten about. Clint Frazier. Overall, these are probably not worth what I ended up paying for them, but I got exactly what I wanted out of the experience, was, you know, which was a couple of the better rookies. I really was hoping to get Soto and or Ohtani. Jesus. Ohtani. And didn't get either one of those. But I mean, when you've only got 7 packs to work with in each box, I mean, it's, you know, there's no guarantee. So that's that. But yeah, that was fun. That was exactly what I'd hoped for. Did get the gold refractor and got an autograph for the first time. So pretty sweet. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you haven't already subscribed, I invite you to do so you'll be notified of upcoming breaks. Well, you have to hit the little bell thing to be notified, but do that if you so choose. No pressure. Love you guys. Take care. I'll be back soon.